Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
Navy to commission 6th Kalvari class submarine in Swagsheer in December. The submarine, constructed at Mazago Dock Shipbuilders Limited (MDL) in Mumbai, is undergoing final trials. In a boost for its underwater capabilities, the Indian Navy is likely to commission Swagsheer, its sixth and final Kalvari-class submarine under a 23,562 crore program called ED Project 75, in December, officials aware of the matter said on Sunday. Earlier this month, the Navy commissioned a submarine escape training facility, called Vinetra, at INS Satavahana in Vishakhapatnam to prepare crews to respond swiftly if a Kalvari-class boat is in distress. The submarine, constructed at Mazago Dock Shipbuilders Limited (MDL) in Mumbai, is undergoing final trials, the officials said. The Kalvari-class, Scorpene, diesel-electric attack submarines have been constructed at the yard, with technology transfer from French firm Naval Group. The boats can carry out various missions like anti-surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare, long-range strikes, special operations, and intelligence. India is in talks with France to build 3 more such submarines at MDL to strengthen its maritime posture in the vast Indian Ocean region, where the challenges include China's carefully calculated power play for influence and defending the rules-based international order. On 29 August, India commissioned its second indigenous nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine, in Sarighat, at Vishakhapatnam, with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh then asserting that it will further strengthen India's nuclear triad, enhance nuclear deterrence and help establish strategic balance in the region. IN Sarighat or S3 is the second Arihant-class submarine and more advanced than IN Arihant, S2. The country's third nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine, IN Saridman or S4 is also set to be commissioned next year, followed by a fourth SSBN codenamed S4*, as previously reported. The last 2 Arihant-class submarines are expected to be bigger and capable of launching longer-range missiles. The Navy is also looking at building 2 nuclear-powered conventionally armed submarines to deter the country's adversaries in the Indo-Pacific. Earlier this month, the Navy commissioned a submarine escape training facility, called Vinetra, at INS Satavahana in Vishakhapatnam to prepare crews to respond swiftly if a Kalvari-class boat is in distress. The Navy has similar facilities to train crews for its Kilo-class and Shishumar-class submarines at INS Satavahana, India's premier submarine training establishment commissioned in December 1974. L&T Defence has built the new facility in line with the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative to boost self-reliance in the defence manufacturing sector. It is equipped with a 5-meter escape tower integrated with a diving basin and will be utilized for imparting both basic and refresher escape training to submarine crews. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.